need a custom icon, but you can't find the right one anywhere. Instead of scrolling through icon libraries hoping something works, you can now describe exactly what you need using Piktochart. Piktochart's icon generator has 3 different visual styles, and we're gonna try to make an icon in each of them. So let's see the results. If you're in the dashboard, to access the icon generator, all you do is click Create AI Visual, and you'll be taken to this page where you can see all of our different AI tools, and of course we'll just click on icon generator because that is what we want. So as you can see, we have the output size/ratio, so it can be whatever you want it to be. And then you have the 3 visual styles: cartoon, engraved, and line art. For a start, we'll just try something with cartoon. Let's start with something playful. Let's say we need something that signifies a coffee break or symbolizes a coffee break. Asking for a cup with a little croissant beside it, and generate AI icon. Keeping the style pretty simple because I'm sure that the details in my prompt should do most of the heavy lifting for us. And just like that, we have our icon generated. I've inserted it to the page, and I think it is exactly what I asked for, with the cream, with the terracotta, with the brown, the pastry, the croissant against the coffee mug. Now let's go completely different and try this line art. Let's say I'm working on a sustainability report and I need something that represents renewable energy. So I've had this prompt prepared. Combine a simple leaf with a lightning bolt. Alright, let's generate this and see what we get. And this time we get a completely different style where it's pretty much just made with lines. Everything is made out of lines. And that's what you get when you kind of switch up the visual style entirely. Obviously, you can run this again to try and get a different output. Now lastly, let's try engraved, and let's see what that looks like. So for this engraved, I'm gonna do something that suits that style a little more, being exploration and adventure. I'm asking for a traditional compass, some mountains, and a little winding trail. And let's just generate this and see what we get in the engraved style. And there you go, that's an icon with mountains and a winding trail. So what's going to happen is when you're using this, you'd probably only use the circular section. Really all there is to this. That's how you can use the icon generator in Piktochart. Describe the icon you need and pick the style that fits your needs. If you want to try it yourself, you can use the icon generator in Piktochart. It's free. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.